A liver transplant is a surgical method of replacing a deceased or injured liver with a donated healthy liver.
Liver transplant is a procedure where the patient's native liver has gone into end-stage liver failure and is not working appropriately. So this particular organ is replaced by a new liver. Once the surgery is done, the donor in a week's time has near normal liver function. He is discharged from the hospital, and in 3 weeks to 3 months time, liver grows to the same size, close to 95% of the size what it was before the surgery.
Certain conditions can lead to liver failure, making a transplant necessary. Let's now have a look at the types of liver transplant. An orthotopic transplant replaces a diseased liver with a healthy one from a deceased or living donor. Living donor liver transplant allows a healthy person to donate part of their liver. A liver donor can be a relative, spouse, provided they have a compatible blood type and are in good physical and mental health. Ideal donors are typically between ages of 19 and 60. Some individuals are not eligible to donate. The steps for liver transplant are evaluation for a patient and donor, pre-transplant preparations, transplant surgery, post-transplant care, and follow-up and monitoring. The total days of stay in India for liver transplant is about 2 to 3 months for the international patients. For the local patients, the stay is about 2 to 3 months, including the post-treatment follow-ups. Monitoring and follow-up process post-liver transplant is crucial. Now let's discuss the cost associated with liver transplants in India. For the transplant itself, living donor transplants cost between INR 16 lakhs and 18 lakhs. Apart from all these costs, there is also the logistic cost, which includes food, accommodation, travel, and others. Several factors that can affect the total cost of a liver transplant includes the hospital's reputation, the doctor's expertise, the type of transplant, and any additional stay required. Vedam Health provides the largest network of top doctors and hospitals to patients worldwide. Vedam simplifies your treatment journey with its wide range of services. We at Vedam serve patients in the top 9 destinations of the world, and we focus on not only one but a wide range of treatment specialties. Vedam has successfully assisted over 100,000 plus patients. For any medical assistance or to start your treatment journey, contact Vedam Health.